Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, what do you do?
Octopus.
What do? You give it a little twist, right?
Mm-hmm.
Give it a little at the end. Like...
It was an octopus, but I changed the octopus.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Now, can I do it?
Yeah, be careful, careful. Now, what do we do? Hold on, where's the side right? Okay. Careful, it's hot.
It's like this, and then we gotta stick it in here.
Yeah, you put a little bit on the tip of it, right? So, here, you hold out watch your hand on the hot sauce. Yeah. Yeah, just get a little bit of goop on there, and then just dab it in. Just dab it in the gold stuff over there.
Okay.
Just give it like a, you know, okay. A little bit harder. A little bit more like in and out-ish, like. Good. Okay. So now, you do this end, you come from one side, and then come from the other side. Throw it on the silver part. Perfect, dude. Okay, now stick it back in here. All right, yeah, we just slide this jaw in. Slide the grease one up and kind of try to get it around. Yeah, perfect. Okay, not too hard. There you go, you're good.
Yeah.
Now we'll just heat that jaw. There, it'll go. Yeah, hold on 1 second. I got it. Put it up close. I'll get it from a different angle. I'll come underneath. I'll try to get it like from the side. Like this side, I'll put it over here. Okay. It's pretty good, dude. You gotta try it out. And now we got ourselves a yellow orange wire with a green middle.
Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun. We asked if we could.
But not if we should.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.